This video will walk you through connecting and operating your VCS704 Eris Station conference phone with wireless mics. Before you connect your Eris Station conference phone with wireless mics, make sure you have all the items below: a base unit, 4 wireless microphone units, 4 batteries, 4 battery doors, a power adapter, an AC power cord, a DC power cable, a telephone line cord, and a user's manual. If you need to purchase any items or replacement parts, visit our website at businessphones.vtech.com or call 1-800-595-9511 in the U.S. and 1-800-267-7377 in Canada. Connect base unit. To connect the base unit, plug the DC power cable into the base unit and then route the cable through the slots at the bottom of the base unit. Plug the other end of the DC power cable into the power adapter jack on the VCS704. After that, plug the telephone line cord into the power adapter's tel line jack, and then plug the other end of the cord into a wall jack. Lastly, connect the AC power cord. Plug the AC power cord connector into the power adapter's power jack. Then insert the power plug into a wall outlet that's not controlled by a switch. When the base unit is powered on, you'll see the status indicators turn green for about 2 seconds. Install battery to the wireless mic. To install the battery, first place the battery onto the battery compartment. Make sure the battery label, "This side up," is facing upward. Then push the battery gently until it is fully inserted. After that, slide the battery door until it clicks into place. Charge the batteries. To charge the batteries, place all of the wireless microphones into the charging cradles. You'll see the status indicators on the wireless microphones illuminate in orange when charging. Once the battery is fully charged, the orange light will turn off. Before use, lift all the wireless microphones from the charging cradles and put them on the table. Then, check for a dial tone by pressing Talk Off on the base unit. If you hear a dial tone and see that the status indicators illuminate in green on both the base unit and the wireless microphones, connection is successful. Now we'll proceed to the basic operating instructions. By now, you should have completed the required connection and battery installation. Make a call. To make a call using your Eris Station conference phone with wireless mics, press Talk Off on the base unit. You'll see the status indicators on the base unit illuminate in green. As you hear a dial tone, enter a phone number. The call is now connected. Use a wireless microphone during a call. To use a wireless microphone, lift it from the charging cradle and put it on the table. You'll see the status indicator on the wireless microphone unit illuminate in green after a couple of seconds. You can now speak towards the microphone on the wireless microphone unit. While speaking, keep the wireless microphone unit around 2 feet from your mouth for optimal sound quality. Remember to put the wireless microphones back in the charging cradles after use. When a wireless microphone battery is low, the status indicator will flash in orange slowly. When out of range, the status indicator will flash in red slowly. The wireless microphone unit will go to sleep after being out of range for 30 minutes. The status indicator will turn off. When it is returned to the charging cradle on the base unit, it will automatically power on again, and its status indicator will illuminate in orange. Once the battery is fully charged, the orange light will turn off. Mute a call. During a call, if you don't want the other caller to hear you, press Mute on the base unit for a wireless microphone to mute all microphones in the system. You'll see the base unit display shows Muted. The status indicators will illuminate in red on both the base unit and the wireless microphones that have been removed from the base. All the microphones in the system will remain muted until the mute function is turned off by pressing Mute on any unit again. After turning off the mute function, the base unit will display Microphone On briefly. The status indicators will illuminate in green again on both the base unit and the wireless microphones. Make a three-way conference call. Before you make a three-way conference call, please check with your telephone service provider to see whether this service is included in your subscription plan. To create a three-way conference during a call, press Flash to put the current call on hold. When you hear the dial tone, enter the new outgoing call number. When the second call is connected, press Flash. A three-way conference is then established. To end the call, press Talk Off on the base unit. This concludes the basic operation of the Eris Station conference phone with wireless mics. We hope you enjoy using the features of the VCS704 Eris Station conference phone with wireless mics. Thank you for watching this video.